is, YouTube? It's been a while, man, but you know your boy had to come back with some major heat. As a matter of fact, it's towards the end of the year, and you know Black Friday is right around the corner, man. Right around the corner. And you know what releases on Black Friday, man. That's when Jordan brand likes to show up. Nike likes to show up. Adidas likes to show up. A lot of people like to show up, man, but this is one cop that I had to bring to you early, and I know you've seen it a couple times, but you ain't seen your boy Big Mike Sneaker Edition show you this thing, man. Size 13, so you know that's my personal pair, man, my personal size. You got the 12 box, all right? The normal big old suitcase box they've been giving us all year for the last 2 years now. Open this thing, get into it real quick. You got your brown paper like you've been having, nothing special, brown paper, all right? You even got your little green, hold it, Mike, green sticker thing that's focusing for you. Let's go and get it out, man. Woo! Just picked these joints up from the plug, man. Actually, I've been having them for about a week or two, man. But I've been working 12 hours a day, y'all. I ain't gonna even lie to you. That's why you ain't heard from me in about 2 weeks. The grind's been real, man. You know what I'm saying? The grind is real. So, you know, I'm a supervisor, so the grind's real. Got to put in the hours. Got to be in the hours, get that money, man. Support your family. And buy these kicks, bro. Here they go. The Gym Red Jordan 12s, man. Or in my case, a.k.a. all red things, man. All red Jordan 12 things, man. Woo! The boys are bad, man. I love the metallic red hints on the shoe with your shoelace holders and the side wings of the Jordan 12s. That say Jumpman on it, which is really, really dope in my opinion, man. And what's crazy about this shoe, the reason I think this shoe will sell out, first of all, we hear everybody say, yeah, another red shoe, blah, 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 blah. All right? I don't even want to hear that, man. It's another red shoe, yeah, true enough. But every red shoe that releases, we tend to go get them. As sneakerheads, we go get these things, man. So my opinion, these things will sell out Black Friday. All right. 1 is Black Friday. 2, kids love red. All right. 3, I ain't got to mention who else love red. 4, come on, man. It's a Jordan 12. The silhouette helps this shoe out. It is a Jordan 12, and the material on the shoe is simply magnifico. Tutti frutti. Ridiculous, man. I don't even know what kind of material this is. I know right here it feels like leather. On the tongue, it's so soft, it feels like leather. Then on the sides, you got like a nice wrinkly, on my pair, wrinkly Jack and Jill status. Look at the up close wrinkles on that thing, man. All right. Ridiculous, man. All right. Ridiculous. It's like a nubuck a little bit on the side. It's like a suede leather. It's like a leather suede. It's like a vigilante. It's like a vigilante. So check it out, man. Down the middle, you know, you got your black jump, man. You got your 2-3 going down the middle. Regular Jordan 12, man. All right? But when you make a shoe all red, it just makes it pop just that much more, man. Just that much more. The back, you got that Jordan, all right? Quality inspired by the greatest player ever. Y'all know how that goes, that quote. You got your black 2-3 on the back of this thing, man. These red 12s gonna pop, man. With white pants, light pants, black pants, blue jeans. Now, this, I need to tell y'all this, all right? Breaking news. These things right here are a deep, we're not a deep red, okay? Not a deep red. I mean, I don't even want to lie to y'all like that. The metallic red is darker than the actual red of the shoe. Some of y'all gonna say, oh, it's got the ashiness, yeah? And to let you know right now, the side, where they usually have that alligator skin print on the 12s, whatever y'all call this, the mud guards. Some people say mud guards. That junk's got that back and forth, like leather suede touch. It's got that. It's got that wish wash. And that looks ashy when you go the other way. Like right there, that looks straight ashy. When you go this way, man, it takes that ash away. So this great material on there. All right. Bottom of the shoe, you got a charcoal gray on the bottom down there for your carbon fiber down there, man. Just a dope shoe, man. I had to get these early. You had to go ahead and lock these up because, in my opinion, they're gonna sell out. In my opinion, they're gonna sell out, man. If they don't, oh well. I had to have them early. You know what I'm saying? Sneaker, this is gonna keep bringing you great, dope content, baby. Just don't forget that. What else I need to tell you about this? Just a dope shoe. I'm digging it, man. I'm feeling it, man. Y'all comment down below if you're feeling these things, if you're going to pass on these things, if you think too much red's on this thing, if you got too much red in your collection. If you do, maybe you can downsize like half of YouTube's been doing. I know I've been downsizing. I got rid of a lot, man. I actually sold another pair today. Shout out to the guy that bought them LeBron 12 week things, man, for me, which I really never even wore. He bought those things for me. I let them things go for $100, man. So I'm just downsizing, putting things in my collection. If you got too many red shoes and this is not for you, I totally understand. Y'all wait till the next video drops. It will be another early release, man. Look, I'm finna bring them to you back to back to back. I'm trying to do it like that. You hear me? Sneaker Dishes, man. Make sure you keep notifications on. Notification bell, please. Ding, ring that thing. Ring a ding ding that thing, man. So you can be up to date on the videos I drop. Go ahead and become the addition to Sneaker Editions. Peace. Whoa, 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 whoa. Like I was going to say, y'all, these things are red. Just let me finish what I was going to say. I got off track a little bit. I was excited, man. These things are red. I'm going to show this. In the paper, if you can see this paper, all right? You see on this paper how it's bleeding red? I know you can see that. Right down there. It's bleeding red on the brown paper. So, that's going to tell you one thing, people. All right? These are going to bleed on your jeans. So, be careful what you wear with this, man. Be safe. Be careful what you're going to wear with it. Unless you just don't care. Rock what you want to rock with it. All right? Let me hurry and pull this pair out just to make sure it's okay. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. It's straight. It's straight. I tell you this, though. You see spots a little bit on the shoe where that red dye is leaking a little bit. So, y'all, make sure y'all watch your shoes. I got a pretty good fair pair. I'm glad my pair turned out good. Make sure you look through your, if you can, look through your shoes and get the one you want. Get the best quality, man. But as far as overall, these are it, man. These are fire. All right? I chose to cop these over the red 11s, in my opinion. So, that's it.